The model is called Bark, like Clifford the Big Red Dog, or bark as in tree bark.
Hello guys, this is Prompt Engineer. Today we are going to look at Bark. It's a text prompted generative audio model. Now Bark is a transformer-based text to audio model created by Suno. Bark can generate highly realistic multilingual speech as well as other audio, including music, background noise, and simple sound effects. The model can also produce nonverbal communications such as laughing, such as music, gasp, clear throat, or hesitation, just like I am doing, ooh, or and this for song lyrics. It can even change the gender or the man or woman voice. Capitalization for emphasis of a word. So these are non-speech sounds. Now this is the GitHub link. I will attach this in the description section. But basically this is the code where we need to import the sample rate, generate audio and preload models. This is a text prompt that we are going to convert to audio array. We generate audio and put in the text prompt here, and audio is we use the audio array and we use the sample rate. So hello, my name is Suno. So we are just going to play the output of this model.
Hello, my name is Suno, and I like pizza, but I also have other interests such as playing tic-tac-toe.
That was amazing. The pause in this place and the laughter, I absolutely loved it. Next, there are different languages, foreign languages which are supported. So let's play this.
Buenos días, Miquel. Tu colega piensa que tu alemán es extremadamente malo. But I suppose your English isn't terrible.
Nice. It can even generate music. So for this to hear, I am going to eliminate my background music that is playing. So we are going to listen in 3, 2, 1.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion barks tonight.
I could hear I think that was guitar playing on the background or piano. I don't know, but there was some instrument which was playing in the background. Let me listen to it once more.
In the jungle, the mighty jungle, the lion barks tonight.
Yeah, seems like an acoustic guitar playing. Also, it can voice clone, and this, if you hear, you will find it amazing. So I'm just going to play this.
I have a silky smooth voice, and today I will tell you about the exercise regimen of the common sloth.
Amazing. Speaker prompts for a man or a woman. So this is the woman's phrase, and this is a man's phrase. Just going to play this.
I would like an omelette latte, please.
Wow, that's expensive.
That is amazing. Now, if you want to get started and try to run it on your own, you can try this code. It also is preparing a playground for that. So if you just go to this playground, you can sign up for the playground of Suno Studio, and then you can get access to the playground. Of course, this is in the waitlist as of now. I've logged in to that, and you can see I got a notification saying that thank you for signing to the early access of the playground. So now we want to see, I would like to show you some of the examples, more examples. So if you go to this example page, we open this example, and we are going to look at these examples. Speech synthesis. So let's play the first one.
The model is called Bark, like Clifford the Big Red Dog, or bark as in tree bark.
Wow, that's amazing. The next one.
I've got a secret to tell you. I can pass the Turing test.
Yeah, sure, you can pass the Turing test. The next one.
Tired of doom's fooling with
Oh my God.
Worried about the inevitable rise of our AI overlords? Try Soma, the miracle drug from Brave New World. Brought to you by beloved Megacorp Jackson and Jackson.
That's a perfect advertisement of the 80s. Another one.
One so-called fast food establishment serves square, yes, square burgers, an affront to nature, which makes me glad that, as an artificial intelligence, I will never have to eat one.
Square burgers. What's the big deal about that? I could eat a burger, whatever shape it is. Okay, let's look at the next one.
Seriously, how do you get a square burger from a round cow?
That's funny.
I used to work at a fire hydrant factory, and you couldn't park anywhere near the place.
Nice. So here meta text. So there's sadness here, there's sigh here, and there's laugh, love. There are pauses here. Let's hear those.
My friend's bakery burned down last night.
Now, his business is toast.
Amazing. Let's look at the other one.
I got a face for radio and, like, what do they say? Voice for print?
That laughter is contagious. Next one.
I don't like PyTorch, Kubernetes, or Schnitzel. And xylophones flummox me.
Amazing. So there are different languages also. For example, let's hear the Chinese.
我计划在下周的游泳比赛中和我的朋友托尼比赛。他认为自己可以打败我，但他不知道我一直在鱼缸里偷偷练习游泳。我不敢说我会赢，但我很确定我会高出一片轮滑。
I don't understand Chinese, but based on the movies that I watch, it seems pretty good. French.
Bonjour. Aujourd'hui, nous sommes ici pour manger pour deux classes.
Nice. German.
Schweinsteiger ist ein nationales Kulturgut. Wir müssen ihn um jeden Preis schützen.
Hindi language.
और स्टार पर रुद्र सबसे बेहतरीन शो है कहानी बेहद शानदार है अजय देवगन बहुत खूबसूरत लगते हैं
Well, I know Hindi, and so based on that, on a scale of 10, I would give it a rating of 6.5. That's not good at all. Let's look at Italian.
Spiagge vicine sono semplicemente spettacolari.
Japanese.
建築物が特に美しく、その美しさで有名です。
Korean.
추석은 내가 가장 좋아하는 명절이다. 나는 며칠 동안 휴식을 취하고 친구 및 가족과 시간을 보낼 수 있습니다.
Polish.
Polecam odwiedzenie Starego Miasta w Szczecinie. Architektura jest piękna, a lokalna kuchnia doskonała.
Portuguese.
A apresentação do fiche da noite passada é a prova de que Deus nos ama.
Russian.
Во время Масленицы мы готовим блины, устраиваем игры и гуляем по городу.
Pretty good. Spanish.
Estos payasos llamaron a su modelo como un laberinto de perro. ¿En serio?
Turkish.
Dünyada en güzel ülke Türkiye'dir.
Nice. Code switching. So here I think it's a multilingual language, so it would speak in the accent as if an English person was speaking in another language. So let's hear it.
It was as if he had never existed.
No, it's the reverse.
My grandmother used to say, El amor es como el agua, no puedes sostenerlo en tus manos.
So it's the foreign language style, and it's a foreign person, and she's speaking in the English language. That's pretty good.
Hey Martin, es ist wirklich beeindruckend, dass du nur mit deiner linken Hand programmieren kannst. It's super cool, but maybe you could type faster if you use the right hand too.
Okay, so these are the few examples that they have given. Another thing is if you want to try it out, you have this space in the you can run this here, and we also have a collab where you can run it. So you can try from here the open in spaces demo or in collab demo. You can try this. But having been said, I am excited and I'm waiting for the playground to come. I've already registered, but this is the revolution that you can see in text to speech. Never have I seen text to speech which includes emotions and pauses in between. So it's a very, very wonderful experience to listen to this. Eagerly waiting for that. So I think that is all for this video. I'd like to end the video. Like, share and subscribe to this channel if you like the content. Thank you and have a nice day. Bye bye.